The Charlotte man accused of killing his girlfriend, Allisha Watts, will stay behind bars. James Dunmore's attorney requested his bond be reviewed after an autopsy report listed the cause of Watts' death as undetermined. Dunmore was arrested for the Moore County woman's murder back in August after authorities found her remains in Montgomery County. WCNC Charlotte's Jessie Pierre was in the courtroom today. She has more on today's decision.
James Dunmore's attorney wanted his bond reduced to an unsecured bond because Allisha Watts' autopsy report did not determine a clear manner for how she died. But that request has been denied. Family and friends say this is a small win as they continue to fight to keep Dunmore behind bars.
This is one victory. We have many more to come.
Loved ones and supporters of Allisha Watts in court Monday fighting for justice for Watts. Watts was reported missing a few days after visiting her boyfriend, James Dunmore, in Charlotte last summer. After weeks of searches, her remains were found in a remote area in Norman. Dunmore was later charged with murder. More than a dozen people showed up to the Montgomery courthouse Monday in support of Watts.
Every face is Allisha Watts. We are Allisha Watts. Wanted to display them and display every kind of way that we are supporting and we are standing in the gap for her and her other loved ones.
In court, Dunmore's attorney argued that his $1 million secured bond should be reduced to an unsecured bond. Her reasoning, because Watts' recently released autopsy report showed her cause of death to be undetermined. The assistant district attorney argued that Watts did not mysteriously die and Dunmore was the last person to see her alive. The attorney also pointing to Dunmore's violent past. In the end, the judge denied the request based on the conditions of the remains. Watts' loved ones say they are confident there are enough facts to hold Dunmore responsible for her death.
As far as talking about his ex-wife and what he's done with other women in other states.
And there is, as the assistant district attorney presented today, more evidence than the toxicology or autopsy report to point to why this man should not be out.
With the secured bond, Dunmore would actually have to pay the $1 million or collateral to secure his release. Until then, he stays in jail. Jessie Pierre, WCNC Charlotte.